In today's video, we will show you the top 6 car competition subwoofers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to get more information. Let's start with number 1. Skar Audio EVL12D2 car subwoofer. This speaker is built to handle 1250 watts of continuous power and peaks of up to 2500 watts. You can expect accurate and powerful bass from the EVL series thanks to a high flux, durable stack ferrite motor structure. You also get a 3-inch high temperature voice coil which benefits from a basket design with efficient airflow and cooling to allow you to enjoy high volumes level for long periods without overheating the speaker. If you are after responsive, ultra low end frequency delivery, consider the EVL series high roll foam surround and competing grade peppercorn. Skar rates this series subwoofer sensitivity at 85.1 dB with frequency response ranging from 25 Hz to 250 Hz. All sizes are available with either dual 2 ohm or dual 4 ohm impedance ratings. Number 2. JBL CS1214 car subwoofers. This is one of the more affordable members of JBL subwoofers family. Rated at just 250 watts RMS and 1000 watts maximum, this could be a good subwoofer if you are building your first competition sound system or want to add some volume to your existing setup. This is a 12-inch subwoofer that will look good in your car with its polypropylene cone and rubber surround. It is designed to deliver solid rigidity and internal damping to help the speaker overcome road noise when listening en route. High volume output comes courtesy of a 90 dB sensitivity rating, bringing more bass to your ears than you might expect for a relatively low power subwoofer. The frequency response range is a bit narrower than some of the other speakers on the market. Number 3. JL Audio 12W7AE3 subwoofer. This model of the JL Audio competition subwoofers is among the best of the best in terms of both power and quality. With an RMS of 1000 watts, the JL Audio sub does not have nearly as much power as the Hooligan, but still enough to blow your hair back. With a peak power handling of 2000 watts, you can pump up the volume and still hear and feel the flow of your music with exceptional clarity. Sensitivity is crucial for competition grade subs since they require more power than regular subs. The JL Audio has a massive vented aluminum alloy frame to prevent overheating, so it can withstand more power without the system getting fried. Number 4. Torotech Force 12-bass car audio subwoofer. Install a Toro Force subwoofers and rest assured that the Force will always accompany you in your cruiser of choice. Carefully selecting each component from the tin cell leads to the cast aluminum baskets to the 8-gauge wire to the double-stacked store-in-term ferrite magnets. Plus, the inclusion of dual voice coils gives you system design flexibility. The overall design balances the ability to play loud, play deep, and remain composed. It is designed to engineered in the USA to exacting standards by audio enthusiasts with decades of combined hands-on experiences. Number 5. Skar Audio SDR18 D4 car subwoofer. This is designed to offer the ultra low-end bass frequency response only capable of being produced by a larger subwoofer of its size, featuring a conservative rating of 1200 watts maximum power. This 18-inch car subwoofer does just that, thanks to its high temperature 2.5 inches copper voice coil and high flux ferrite motor. When looking for a subwoofer that delivers low-end frequency with authority, look no further. Featuring a sleek and attractive dread spider system paired with its competition-grade peppercorn and high-roll foam surround, this subwoofer is going to impress the listener every time it is playing. Number 6. Power Acoustic BAMF 122 subwoofer. This 3500 watt BAMF series 12 inches dual 2 ohm subwoofer is built to survive. It has an overcompensating motor structure for increased magnetic strength 12 mm T-yoke and top plate to improve low-frequency dynamics, bended T-yoke and frame reduce Boyce coil heat buildup, and a non-magnetic, no-resonant die-cast aluminum frame. It also has a 3-inch 4-layer Boyce coil with direct connect wire and high temperature tolerant adhesive. The staged Boyce coil leads prevent potential damages as well.